done me wrong, oh lumbar mine. Ghosted me after leg day, left me crying down my spine. I trusted you on Monday when I picked that laundry up. Now you're aching like a heartbreak in a lonesome coffee cup. I stretched you, I loved you, I gave you all my core, but you two stepped out the back door and you don't love me no more. You done me wrong, way down low, sending lightning down my leg everywhere I go. But I'm learning bird dogs, I'm walking every day, gonna win you back, darling, in a slow and steady way. Dead bugs on the carpet, glued bridges by the bed, braced up tight with the support to hold me steady in your stead. I hinge now at the hip, sugar, I don't bend and pray, and that little lumbar heartache's finally fading away. Oh, you done me wrong, way down low, but we're working it out, darling, nice and slow. Me and you, L5, we're gonna make it right, one good rep at a time, every morning, every night. You done me wrong, oh lumbar mine. Ghosted me